Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your camera to first person in Roblox Studio. So if you want to go and make a first person game and lock your camera to first person, the first thing we're going to do is just open up the Roblox Studio and make sure you can see the Explorer tab in the right hand side. Now if you can see these, then just click on the view in the top navigation and make sure this Explorer option is open like this. Now in this right hand window, we are just going to scroll down this list, and right at the bottom down here you are going to see something called starter player. Go ahead and click on this folder, and just below that we are going to see all of the properties for starter player. Now to go and lock your camera to first person, just going to scroll down this list until you see camera, and next to where it says camera max zoom distance, we are going to change the number 400 to 0.5. Then press enter on your keyboard, and now if you come over to play your game, in the camera is now going to be locked in the first person view. So I am just sharing the workflow, and it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.